welcome to SL Tech Publication. Today I'm going to show you how to download our SL Tech Publication app. So it's easy management and you can save your data. So if you want to download, click on Chrome, search for our website. So website link will be on the description. The download link also will be on description. So once you open the website, it will show you. Sometimes they may show a pop-up here. The download the app. Oh, if that pop-up didn't show, don't worry. You can click on the menu and download our app. So I'm clicking on download our software. So we have software. So the software will be a technical issue. So we are trying to fix this issue. So if this occurs, contact me soon. You can contact us if this error occurs. So this error is occurring always. So some devices only the error occurs. If not some in desktop, I think this error will not occur. Sometimes it will may occur in the desktop because of a technical issue of our app. So here you can see system corrupted by SLT. So automatically the app is getting deemed access deemed. So once we are taking the access, the app is rejecting it. So sorry, the software is rejecting it. So this cannot be happen. So already we have we have a software called website software. So this website is in that software. So that website software is easy, but we removed it because it's taking YouTube inside. So it's taking YouTube inside the app. So we removed it and we didn't let it. And there's in the app also it's so it's just a website app. So it's like a website. So we didn't make that app because we are trying to make the YouTube app. So that means like YouTube channel app, that means only YouTube videos are there in that app. So you can't watch others video, only you can watch our videos. So that's like that we are making. So here you can see download our app. When you click on download our app, you must wait a minute to load. So here you can see download our app. Now it's easy to watch our videos with less data and very easy management. So you must click here to download. So this is you can watch the videos inside the app, our videos inside the app even. So click here to download. You need data. So it's taking a gathering data and then analyzing APK. It will take a while to load. So if you want, you need network to our app because you cannot go offline. We cannot do it. So you need data. So wait 2 seconds, then it is not getting load. So you can say, do you want to download again? You must click on this download. Once you click on this download, so I have already downloaded. So I'm again downloading and showing you. So once you download, click on this app and then click on this install. So this app is very safe I think, because I am using this app already. So now you can get blocked by Play Protect. So click on install anyway. So now the app is scanning from the device, your device. So I'm using MIU phone, so it will take to scan. So open, click on open. Once you click on open, it will take a while to load, and you can see our videos are here. So you can see only our videos are here in the app. So if you want to open a link, so just I'll show you example. If you want to open, click on this more. Then if you want to open a link, click this link and wait. So it will take, and then click on this open. So if you want, now you want to watch the video, click this YouTube icon. Once you click this, it will take to the app to get so I will click on this video. Then now I will go back. So now once I go back, it will take a while to go back. So here you can see now once you watch. So here when you click this, you can see this. I'll mark it and show you. You can see this. So you can see here the mark of it. Click this mark. Once you click this, it will show you watched. So you have watched this, marked. You have marked this. So sometimes you don't need to click this. So when you watch, it will show here. It will show here watched only, marked. But no. So I will reload it again. Reload it again. So now it won't show. So once I click this button, I will play this and see. Sometimes when you watch, it won't show it there. Now I'll go back. You must wait a minute to go back. Click this cancel. So for the phone is in rotator, it will get like that. So now I'm turning this side. Now when you so here you can see if you watch it one show. So when you go here now only sometimes it will show. So you can mark any videos if you want. Here you can see a menu. Yeah, top. Then when you click on it, show notification about video, you will get notification about new videos. So now I'm click on this. So you can see here more. So if this comes, you must wait here. So then to load for the next video. So here you can see. So if your network is slow, then it won't get loaded. So I'll just show off the data, and then I will refresh the hash. So here you can see the videos won't be shown. So here you can see the videos is not getting shown. Now when I turned it off, I put the hash. Now the videos will be shown. So friends, you can download our app very easily. So the app link will be on the description. And so friends, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon. And don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.